Where does the name for Whitchurch, or in Welsh, Eglwys Newydd, come from? So today I'm in the north of Cardiff, Caerdydd, and this area that I'm in now is called Whitchurch, or Eglwys Newydd. Let's get into the name. Let's look at the English name first. We have two parts. Firstly, Whit, from Middle English, whit, ancestor to modern English, white, and meaning the same thing. And then Church, from Middle English, Chyrche, from Old English, Chiriche, ultimately borrowed from the ancient Greek word kuriakos, meaning belonging to the Lord, so a white church. The Welsh name is slightly different. First we have meaning the. Then we have Eglwys, meaning a church, borrowed from Latin ecclesia, itself also borrowed from Greek ekklesia, itself from a verb meaning to call or to summon, and thus coming to mean a meeting place or assembly. And then we have Newydd, meaning new, ultimately from the Proto-Celtic novios, with the same meaning. So we have a white church and a new church, but are they the same church? Gwynedd Pierce, a prominent researcher and previous head of the Welsh Place Name Society, suggested that the two names referred in fact to different churches, in his book Ar Draws Gwlad Dau. It's possible that Whitchurch refers to a whitewashed church in the area built by the Normans in the 1100s, whilst the new church may have been a new church built on the same location as the whitewashed church. It's also been said that the church was in the north of the area and was knocked down in 1904 and is now in someone's garden near Old Church Road now. The new church may refer to St Mary's, which is first recorded in the 1300s, but honestly I found conflicting reports on the locations of both the new church and the white church. There's a misconception sometimes that Welsh place names are just translations of English ones, or vice versa, and whilst that does happen sometimes, this is a great example of how names in the two languages can develop differently from different roots, and both contain interesting historical information. So the name literally means the white church or the new church. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well sometimes, you can on my Patreon. The link's in my bio. Diolch. Have a good one.